everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's take a look at today's key phrase. 3 of the best bars in the country are in my hometown. Let's break it down. Today's skill is putting superlatives into groups. We usually use superlative adjectives to express the extreme or highest degree of a quality, aka number 1. For example, Tokyo has the best restaurants. However, we can also express top groups. We can do this by using numerals, numbers, followed by of. For example, Tokyo has 10 of the best restaurants. We can also express top groups by using quantifiers, followed by of. Some common quantifiers include any of, all of, most of, some of, none of. A few of, several of, a number of, many of, lots of. For example, Tokyo has several of the best restaurants. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Okay, let's have a look at the structure. We start with a quantifier and of, or a numeral and of. So here, 3 of. Then we use the superlative adjective, followed by a noun, the best bars. This becomes 3 of the best bars. Then we just continue the sentence. In the country are in my hometown. So 3 of the best bars in the country are in my hometown. Let's have a look at some examples. Most of the best bars are in Shibuya. Several of the most exclusive clubs are in my hometown. I've only seen a few of the most popular movies. None of the newest computers are available. 4 of the worst bars closed last week. 3 of the nicest museums are closed today. Thank you very much for watching today's class. If you would like to practice the grammar, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Bye.